Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is CHEBET LANGAT, and if you are a returning subscriber, karibu sana. If you are a new viewer, welcome to my channel, and remember to click that subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So today's video is very interesting because today I am unboxing and reviewing on my new LG washing machine, and this is the model number, and I have a short story on how I really wanted and hoped to get a washing machine. So apparently I'm having a really tight schedule, and I'm finding it so hard to find time and wash my clothes. Kwanza saizi when it's June and July, the weather is cold, and sometimes you find unafua nguo and haikauki. So I really opted for a washing machine, and I got my LG washing machine at TRM branch, LG TRM branch. So I visited the place several times while I was just going to the shop and finding a good washing machine. So the first time I went there, I was shown washing machine that was 9 kg, a really good size, and I loved it because it was 9 kg. The capacity is big, and I could wash my duvet with it and everything. So I really needed a big washing machine that could serve me for a very long time, and the washing machine costed around 86. So I settled on that on the first day. And the good news about LG TRM branch is that, guys, imagine you can pay in installments for 3 months. So you shouldn't be afraid to get a washing machine. So the other machine that I was supposed to get was approximately 86,000, and imagine you're paying it for 3 months. So stay tuned with me as I unbox and show you the features on my new LG washing machine. So guys, welcome back, and finally I have unboxed my beautiful LG. Just come look at it. It is white and it looks really nice. Kwanza, I love this touch here. It looks really beautiful, and so let me show you the features. So this is LG model, and it is a capacity of 8 kg. It is AIDD, it is steam, and also it's twin wash. I really love the features around here because it has so much unique features. Look, it has cotton, It has allergy care, baby steam care. Baby, this is the latest model. Just look, it has a duvet. In fact, you can wash your duvet here and tub clean. I love these features here. Look here, it's also smart diagnosis, and this button here, it means you can stop while it's spinning. You can just click stop, and maybe if you want to add something, you can add. Just look at here, this part, so guys, look at this last part of this washing machine. It has intensive, rinse, plus pre-wash, delay end, and also add item. It's by the way, it's child lock and beep on and off. I really love this part, add item. I was so excited to see here because you can stop it and add an item if you forgot. Okay, let's move back to this first part. I want us to open here. Wow, guys, me, I'm so excited. Yeah. So, hey, look. Guys, look. So, we are having wash area. You place your Omo or liquid here, and then you add your pre-wash. This is a small part near pre-wash, and then here you add your softener. Imagine it is just a small nini nafasi. It doesn't take much and it will wash so much of your clothes. So we are done with this part. I am so excited. So let's come to the main part here. So allow me to open and reveal it to you guys. Look, look at this glass. Look, this glass is so pretty. I love the new model, guys. If you are intending to buy a washing machine, please get the new LG model. It is really nice. Look, let me show you how unique this door is. This is the new LG. Look at the door. It's glam, it's nice, and it's the real glass. And by the way, it's so easy to clean because this part feels like rubber, the plastic that feels like rubber, and then this here, it's the glass. So let's come here. Let me show you some features here. It shows you how you're supposed to place, and while washing some small clothes, the socks and etc., you should use a mesh. And guys, if you know where I can get this mesh, kindly plug me. And also you should be sure to check your clothes before you place inside, in case you have pins or any sensitive thing, keys or anything. You should remove them. And then look at this part here inside. The capacity is big. It comes with this pipe, and I don't know what these are, but I think you're using it to fix while fixing it. Yeah, so just look. The capacity is so big.